him, Gigi. Avery, don't be climbing up there, honey. Look, now you got Gigi to do it. Gigi, Avery. Only you two, eh? Gigi down off the couch.
Actually, maybe they could be beautiful. It might take a bit of work.
Avery, what are you doing, honey?
It's time to be a knight and do it.
Avery, what are you doing?
I'm sorry.
What are you doing?
I should have asked.
Are you flashing the light outside?
Something else beautiful. Together. If it's okay with you, another pool.
If you go up there, Gigi's gonna go up there.
We'll need some glue.
Gigi, what are you doing? Roof, roof. Are you barking, Avery, outside for outside? Roof, roof. Roof, roof.
What do you
What
think?
are you doing, Gigi?
Beautiful.
Roof, roof. Gigi.
Thanks, Squirt. And look, Mike, everyone thinks something beautiful.
Avery and his dog. All day they play together like this. They love each other. Oh. Oh. Here she goes again so they can chase her. I love these two. The inseparable bond of Avery and Gigi. Is that your Gigi dog? So Gigi, say, good girl, Gigi. Good girl, Gigi. Give Gigi a kiss. Mwah. Gigi. Give baby kisses. Mwah. Mwah. Are you laughing, Avery? Where's your doggy?